but I can't. And it's a fantastic skill to have, to be able to think of things and to be able to go out, see things and then convey that on paper for hundreds, sometimes thousands of other people. So heartiest congratulations to you both. The work really is tremendous. Natur Cymru too, if I can give it a little plug here as well, it's kind of halfway between a magazine and a journal. So from this, you get a wonderful idea of some of the work that's going on in Wales. It tells you about insects, about plant life, about birds, about mammals, about reptiles, a little bit of everything. And if you don't subscribe to it, please do. It really is. If I had to choose one magazine in Wales, it would be this one. Honestly, and I haven't been paid for that, but it is excellent. It really is very, very good. That's enough of a plug for that. Now, on with the awards. The first prize, an excellent article on a Victorian naturalist, and when I read this, it actually took me back. I could have sworn I was back 120 odd years reading someone's diary way back then. It goes to Richard Birch with a prize of £500. Richard, come on up. And next, Chris. I'll tell you what's nice, seeing someone from Newtown win something. No one from Newtown ever wins anything. You've got to be a first. Chris, congratulations once again. Please give it a hearty clap.